Hello, good morning everyone. Today we can start our second unit, computer networks. Computer networks. What is a network? Several devices are connected to each other for reliable communication. Several devices are connected to each other for reliable communication or transferring of data. That is called a network. A network can consist of a computer, printer, camera, cell phone, etc. Many devices will be there. Okay, all these combination is called a network. A collection of interconnected computers is called computer network. Two computers or devices are said to be interconnected if they are capable of sharing and exchanging information with each other. Okay, a collection of interconnected computer is called a computer network. Why it is interconnected? To communicate each other. Okay, devices are said to be interconnected if they are capable of sharing and exchanging information. This is the main aim of a computer network. We can share information or we can exchange information with the help of this computer network. Did you see here? Computer network structure is given. Many computers are interconnected with each other. In the world, computers are interconnected with each other with the help of internet. That's why we are using www, World Wide Web. If you want to search anything through internet, you can use website address www.something.com. Okay, many computers are interconnected with each other. That is known as computer network. Did you see here? The network diagram is given. Many devices are included. Internet connection, Wi-Fi router, many computers are included, printers, then server. Okay, many devices are included. Okay, each devices we will discuss later. You know that what is printer, what is PC, what is server, what is internet, etc. Okay, anyway, that we will discuss later. Actually, this is a network diagram. Many devices are included in a network diagram. Next topic is advantages of computer networks. Why we are choosing this computer network for communication? Different advantages are there. First advantage is resource sharing. What is resource sharing? In a computer network, many systems will be there. Many systems will be there. Okay, but we can use only one printer or one scanner for that entire computer network. For example, in an internet cafe, many computer systems will be there. 10 or 15 or 20 computer systems will be there. Okay, but there will be only one printer or one scanner, because we can access that particular printer or scanner from any system. Did you understand what I say? One printer or one scanner is enough for that entire computer network. Why? Because all computers are interconnected, all computers are connected with each other. That printer or that scanner is connected with that entire network, so we can access that printer or that scanner from any computer. Any user can use that printer or scanner from any system. That is called resource sharing. Okay, not only resource sharing, data also share from one computer to another computer with the help of this computer network. Did you understand what I say? Once again, I repeating, with the help of this computer network, we can share peripheral devices like printer, scanner, then data also we can share. That is known as resource sharing. Then next is improved communication. Improved communication. A computer network enable fast, reliable and secure communication between users. It saves time and offers easy communication methods. Okay, a computer network enable fast and reliable and secure communication. For example, in an organization, managers work at different locations to make financial reports. While working on a network, any change made by one manager on his computer can easily be seen by other managers and employees. Okay, one updation can see other persons also. One person's updation can see another person also with the help of what? This network, because all the computers are interconnected. If one updation in a one computer will see others also. Next advantage is reduced communication cost. We already discussed about resource sharing. For 10 or 15 computers, one printer or one scanner is enough, because we can share that particular printer or that particular scanner for that entire computer systems. Actually, it is a reduced communication cost. Sharing resources also reduces communication cost. Actually, for 10 computers, 10 printers are required. But in the case of a network, only one printer is enough for that entire computer network, because it is all computers are interconnected with each other. Printer also connected with that particular network. Using public network, we can send a large quantity of data at a low cost. Internet and mobile networks are playing a very important role in sending and receiving text, image, audio, video, etc. You already familiar with that. Next advantage is reliability of data. What is reliability of data? Data can be copied and stored on multiple computers. In a computer network, many computers will be there. Data can be copied and stored on multiple computers. Data can be copied or stored on many computers. In a network system, all computers are connected to each other. Thus, the information or message which is shared by each device is stored on their respective workstation. If due to some reason like hardware crash or any other problem, the data gets corrupted and thus becomes unavailable on one computer, a copy of the same data can be accessed from another workstation for future use. Did you understand what I said? If any problem is occur in a single computer, it will not affect other computers, so we can easily access that particular data from other computers. Okay, if a system crash or any other problem is occur in a single computer, we can access that data from other computers. Why? Because all the computers are interconnected with each other. Then next advantage is central storage of data. Files can be stored on a central node, that is known as server. You already familiar with client and server. Client means users, server means stored location. Okay, central node that can be shared and made available to each and every user in an organization. With centralized processing, data is stored and retrieved from a single central location. Did you understand what I said? There will be a central storage of data, which it is known as server. Every clients or every user can access that data from that central storage area. Now we can discuss some network terminologies. You already familiar with all these terms. First one is nodes or workstation. What is node or workstation? The term nodes refers to computers that are attached to a network and are seeking to share resources. In a network, in a computer network, many computers will be there. Okay, each computer is known as node or workstation. Then server. What is server? A computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network. In a computer network, one computer or one server will be there. Did you understand what I say? If you are searching something through internet, actually from where you got that information, when you are search something through internet, you will get correct information from where actually all that data are stored in a server, a computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources on the network. Okay, that particular computer or that central computer is known as server. Then third one is network interface unit or MAC address. A network interface unit is an interpreter that helps in establishing communication between the server and the client. Network interface unit or MAC address is used, or it is help to establishing the communication between the server and the client. You know what is a server? That we already explained. Client means user. Okay, then fourth one is IP address, internet protocol address. Every machine on a TCP bar or in every machine in a computer network, IP network has a unique identifying number. Okay, that unique identifying number is called IP address. Okay, you know that what is IP address. Once again I repeating, every machine in a on a TCP bar IP network has a unique identifying number. Simply we can say that every machine in a computer network has a unique identifying number, that is called IP address. Then fifth one is domain name. It is a way to identify and locate the computers connected to the internet. Okay, it should be unique. Did you understand what is a domain name? Is a it is a way to identify and locate the computers connected to the internet. That is known as domain name. Now we can move to structure of a network. In a network, many components will be there for its smooth functioning. Okay, to form a network, a lot of hardware devices are required. First one is sender. What is sender? A device or a computer that sends the data. You know that in a network, sender and receiver will be there. A device or a computer that sends the data is known as sender. Then next is receiver. You know what is receiver? A device or a computer that receives the data from where? From sender. Okay. Third one is message. What is a message? Message is the information to be communicated. Message means information. Sender will send a message to a receiver. That information is known as message. It may be text or image or audio or video. When you send something through WhatsApp, when you send a text message, or when you send an image or audio or video through WhatsApp, actually there will be a sender, there will be a receiver, and that particular message or that particular information is known as message. This is the another device or another component in a network. Next component is transmission medium. A transmission medium is a physical path through which the data flows from sender to receiver. In between sender and receiver, there will be a transmission medium. It may be a cable or wire or wireless like radio waves, etc. Did you understand what I say? When we send a message from a sender to receiver, there will be a medium. There will be a transmission medium. That is the another component of a network. Then last component is protocol. What is a protocol? A set of rules that governs data transmission. In a network or in a data transmission, there will be some rules and regulations. Some protocols will be there. It represents the communication methods which are to be followed by the sending and receiving devices. These are the components of a network. In a network, there will be a sender and there will be a receiver. Okay, message also will be there for sending from one location to another location, or from sender to receiver. Then in between sender and receiver, there will be a transmission medium. It may be cable or wire or wireless like radio waves, etc. Then protocol, some set of rules and regulations will be there in a computer network or a data transmission, that is called protocol. Next topic is types of networks like personal area network, local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. All these topics are very simple. You already familiar with these local area network, wide area network, etc. You can read your textbook page number 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, etc. Okay, all these topics are very simple. It is completely theory portions. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding these topics, you can contact me. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.